angels, welcome back to another video. So the first Cyanotype crop top did not turn out that great. You could not see the image that perfectly. So I was like, okay, I have this tote bag that I got from probably Michael's or Joann's. It came in a pack of 3, so you can see the tote bag. It's not like a normal tote bag. It's white, and this is the stencil that I got from Amazon. I think I got like 5 in there, so I'm going to be using all of those up. I mixed up my Cyanotype because obviously I used it for a different project before. So the first thing I did was I taped down my tote bag so that nothing can leak out, which that did not quite work that well for me. I also put a cardboard in between the tote bag so that nothing can leak as well. And yeah, it's looking good so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is spray what I considered a little bit of the Cyanotype mixture. And then I'm going to let this sit and dry overnight for a full 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, we can print the image on there. Just make sure I get it good, which is way too much. Sad. I really messed up this bag. Like, it should have turned out perfectly, but at least you can see the image better, I guess. And this is my second time doing this, so it's like every time that I do it, I learn from my mistakes. So this is 24 hours. It's completely dry. Everything looks good. So I'm placing this stencil on there. Make sure they match up perfectly. Now I want to place a glass on top. This glass that I have right here. Just place it on top so I can have some weight on it. Next thing I'm going to do is some of these resin pieces. I really shouldn't have put them at the corner because I feel like if it messed it up. But I should have used something else. Maybe some like pins or whatever to just clip everything down so that nothing will be moving around. Because these mess up the edges of it. But I needed to add some weight on there so that everything can be flattened. But I didn't, which is fine. So I'm going to let what do you call this? Kind of like a UV light. Sit on there for like 30 minutes or whatever the case may be. And then you guys are going to see how the image turned out. It transferred on there pretty good. But like I said, kind of mess it up. Look at my nails, so uneven. I really do need to cut them. Just cut them all off. So I'm just trying to fix everything to make sure that everything is sitting on there flat and that, yeah. But I messed up, so it's fine. I can just make another tote bag. Making sure that the light is in the center. By the way, everything that I'm going to be using, I'll leave a link for it down in the description box down below. So if you guys want to go check it out, it's going to be right there. So this is like after 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever the case may be. Now I'm taking off all of my resin pieces that I was using as weight. Then I'm going to remove the glass and then remove the stencil so that you guys can see how it transferred on there. And that's when I realized that, yeah, the resin piece completely messed up the side. You can see how that part is black. The image is transferred on there pretty good, but it's the corners that I completely mess up on. I was like, oh no. Ugh. I was like, maybe I could fix it, but nope. Once it's transferred on there, it's transferred on there. There's nothing that you can do about it. I was still trying to figure out how I could fix this. I was like, no. This is so funny. I'm thinking. There's no solution, darling. Then I decided to put back the glass over there. Just leave the glass on there. And then just leave the light on there for like another 10 minutes. Maybe that would help. But it didn't. The image stayed the same. Nothing helped. But it is what it is. There's many more mistakes to come. So I was like, okay, let's just see how it looks. Did it help? Did it not help? Maybe it did. So this is the image. It looks pretty good. So I was like, okay, pretty satisfying. But, the big test is when he washed it off. So the tape was stuck onto the trash bag because I had to place something down just in case anything got stained. So now I need to remove the tape off the trash bag and off of the tote bag as well. So that's what I'm doing right here. And also I don't want to oh my god, I can't talk. I do not want to rip up the trash bag because I want to use it again. I want to make another one. Maybe my next tote bag will turn out better. So I don't want to be messing up or ripping anything so it can leak and maybe damage my poor little carpet. Okay, voila. Now I'm just removing the tape off the tote bag. And a little bit of it drip on there. I should have been using 2 hands, and this is when I realized that, yeah, this transferred everywhere. All over the bag. It was just supposed to be on the image, but it didn't. And next thing I'm going to do is remove the cardboard from in the center of the bag. And also I turn off the lights so that you guys can see it better. I should have did that before, but I wasn't quite thinking that well. See, that's why the little cardboard is important. Now I'm going to start washing off everything. I'm using some cold water. Also hoping that maybe the sides would wash off, but that's a no-no, unfortunately. But at least you can see the image better. On the first shirt, you couldn't quite see it that well. It's fine. Make sure you wash it out good. You don't see no more yellow by the time you're finished. And you should be good to go. And I'm just going to let this sit and dry. Yep, that is pretty much it. The corners of it is just completely messed up. Ugh. I wish I had thought about that. But I didn't. Shame, shame, shame. Okay, so this is how the image is looking. Now I just need to hang it up so that it can dry. Yep. That's it. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. But this is how the bag turned out. You can obviously see the image 100% more clearer. It dried perfectly and everything looks good. Obviously, the corners are very messy. But you learn from your mistakes. I'm pretty sure the next one that I make will turn out a lot better. But I really like the way how it turned out. Like, finally, you can see the image and everything looks decent on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put my laptop in there just to see how it would look and how it would feel. Yep. That's pretty much it. And voila, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.